Adel's resignation comes just a week after news first broke that her office failed to file nearly 200 cases before the statute of limitations ran out. What it means is the defendants in those cases can't be charged for their alleged crimes.
And Team 12's Colleen Sikora reported how it wasn't the first time that a case was dropped because a prosecutor missed the legal deadline.
The Maricopa County Attorney's Office said in 2019 that they'd be making changes so this didn't happen again. Now the attorney who represented the victim's family in that case says whoever fills the top prosecutor seat here will have the added responsibility of restoring trust in this office. Cases dropped and trust missing.
We need to have that trust back. And hopefully this is step one to regaining that trust.
Its promises, catastrophic wrongful death lawyer Scott Palumbo says, weren't kept.
3 years ago, a promise was made. And we found out last week that not only my clients, but the community as a whole were betrayed 180 more times.
His clients, the family of Audrey Dillard and Jessel Torres, who were hit and killed by a man police say was driving drunk. But the Maricopa County Attorney's Office said in 2019 they forgot to file the misdemeanor DUI charges, saying they'd make changes.
In our case, where there were so many deaths, you can't just say, oops.
Audrey's mother, Shannon Dillard, among family that asked the State Bar of Arizona, who oversees attorneys, to investigate.
This reply is actually dated March 3rd.
In 2020, the bar wrote in a letter in the case,
appears to be an isolated incident. I have determined that further investigation is not warranted at this time.
Now the State Bar of Arizona is investigating the 180 dropped cases by the office and confirmed they are also investigating Allister Adel herself. In a statement Monday telling 12 News those investigations would continue after she leaves office. Arizona Attorney General Mark Brnovich separately requesting a report from Adel on why and how the cases were dropped, due by the end of the month. Monday, Adel resigning.
It did take a little too long, but she has taken responsibility. I do applaud her for that.
Palumbo hoping whoever takes over next does make changes so victims aren't left without justice again.
I call upon the Board of Supervisors to find somebody who can come in, really set a high standard that is then adhered to, because we as Maricopa County residents deserve that.
Colleen Sikora, 12 News.
All right, Colleen, thank you.